Hey Michelle, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for speaking with me today and requesting this free video. So today I'm just going to go over a few things, a couple tips and tricks that you can apply today so you can start bringing in more of those hot organic leads. So we are on your homepage. Okay. I like that you have your Google reviews. That helps build trust. I'm seeing a little bit of content here. I'm not seeing much in the way of buyer intent keywords. Okay. Oh, good. You got location pages. Perfect. You need those. Okay. So, um, in order to rank your website, content is key. The more content and keywords, the more ways that you can rank. So your website's homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more. If your competitors have more, you should always have more. Um, and what that breaks down to is 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword you're trying to target and rank for. Those are going to be the actual words that your customers are searching for when they're looking for your services, when they have those basements flooding or fires or mold problems. The words that they're using to search are the words that you need to be using as your keywords, but for each of your locations. And so you need to make sure that you're using the right type of keyword strategy and that you're applying it to all of your pages and all of your locations. Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They use crawlers, which are like little computers that go and index all of these pages for content and keywords so that when a customer does do a search, they can show your website. Looking at one of your top competitors in Los Angeles, we have Restorers. They also have a really nice website. You guys have a lot of similar things, so that's good. They have separate location pages. Their homepage also does not have a whole lot of content, so you definitely want to have more content than these guys to be able to beat them. The one real difference is they do have separate pages like you do for each of your services. Um, they're just using more of those location-based relevant keywords that your customers actually were searching for, so they're able to be found easier. Um, when we look at this program, this is a program called Ahrefs, which tells us how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a website rating of a 24 out of 100 and a homepage rating of a 38. That's not too shabby. That's pretty good. You have over 1,450 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks to only have a 24. So that tells me that you have quite a few no follow or spammy backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need a lot of backlinks, but they need to be the high quality, highly authoritative backlinks. And you need to have a lot more than your top competitors. Um, you're currently being indexed for 183 keywords, and you're seeing organically about 130 people to your website. When we look at your competitor, they only have a domain rating of a 4.3 with only 543 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks to have such a low score, which also says they have a lot of no follow or spammy backlinks. They have a 21 on their homepage, which tells me that majority of those backlinks are all going to their homepage instead of being spread out and going to their important service pages and service areas so that they can actually be found. They have more content and more pages, so they're being indexed for over 900 different keywords, and they're actually getting over 500 people on average every month to their website. So that's all based on your content and keyword strategy, as well as your backlinks linking to those keywords. Now, a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that links to you, the more relevant it is to your industry and your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the higher it's going to rank you in Google. So it's really important that you go after those high authority do follows and that you are linking them appropriately to your keywords, not just your homepage, but also your back pages, your services, and your service areas. And finally, the last thing I want to go over real quick is the Google My Business. This is your Google My Business profiles, your map pack, whatever you want to call it. Your goal should be to be in the top 3. You need to be in the top 3 for your service areas and your relevant keywords. If you're not in the top 3, you are giving your leads to your competitors because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they don't go any further. Now, in order to get here in this spot, there are a variety of different, lose my train of thought. There's a variety of different things that you need to do to get here, but the most important one out of all is citations, which is the name of a business, phone number, address, and website, and having those linked to a variety of different citations like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, etc. And so you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you apply all of these tips that I've given you today, your website can be number 1 across Google in all your service areas for all of your relevant keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.